FIFA World Cup, World Cup yamandebele.
Ndebele World Cup. Ndebele World Cup. Yeah. Ngifuna ukuza lapho futhi ukuthi i-disc culture yaseGaza. Short sprint. Ane e-grounding marathon.
Le game le sizigala ukubamba kumele hlala.
Yeah.
Ikhefa ngiyathatha. Ikhefa ngiyathatha. Ikhefa without the bad without the ikhefa ngiyathatha.
Don't say I want it for them. Buy it out. Ladies and gentlemen, let us put our hands together for Quantum Disc Ringers. Mr. Masango say,
Mkhulu.
ije World Cup ngile.
Uyazi isikhathi sethu thina amandebele sibabheki makusomba. Sihlala sikhathele.
Udeko kacaba ukuthi sikhuluma ngani.
Uyazi. Uyibambe emoyeni. Ya ukuthi amandebele sihlala sikhathele.
Yazi naye ubuya ngara eMpumalanga.
Yithi nesiganga ndoda. Nokuntuthu lomlindo siphilela lokho manje. Angisonke lezi next.
Number 1.
Yeah.
Very great.
Deko. Ukraine.
Amen.
La ushani disc ngile ngigaba lemnandi prime.
Shoot nayo mnandi.
Yamcavu Deko njalo.
Shoot nayo mnandi.
Shoot mnandi.
Shoot nayo mnandi. Yeba kunike kuphela.
Kanti
Yeba kunike kuphela.
Phela igama bathi yalithola yalwini emadayisi.
Deko. Deko. Deko.
Bhajo.
Uma lapho.
Phethe Deko ngiphethe ubhajo.
Phesita.
Telefoni lakho bengjani stretch muscle lapho.
Yeah.
Sengimdala ngithi. Gijima 2 kayi 3. So
Udeko usagijima nini bekadlala kumafilisi. At his age.
Serazi. Awunenhlanhla uthi unethambela ishapha ethina sinenkinga.
Ne.
Awunethambela ishapha.
Le yinto yayibona ngakanani uthizi uhlala athi I'm the tallest man. Futhi akazi man tallest nigga. Khona akayizwa nezandla kahle tallest nigga. Andaka uthole imesh yakhe.
Yabona le masculinity yehlile. Masculinity yehlile yabona sala. Elezidlula mina phela la.
Sure.
Yeah.
Grand Buffet.
Number one.
Hayi sisiqale ngayi. Siblongo noDeko bafethu vandag. Ehleke nje awutshela ama viewers ethi ekhaya ukuthi ubani Deko.
Deko. Okay, aqale ukuthi iDeko ibuye ebholeni.
Yeah, mara igama lakho wena.
Igama liphela uBrain. Hayi uBrain, uBrain.
Mkabangi. Yini uDeko futhi. Mkabangi yabo.
And ukuthi 80% of the people babiza ngoBrain.
Thank you. It's only ungamla
AI.
Ungamla sibayabona ukuthi wena.
Brain.
My name is Brain. Yeah, my name is Brain.
My name is Brain. Uziyo next yakho niyashintsha wala isigaba lakhe.
Uyazithemba.
Brain.
Brain.
Yakhumbula Brain.
Sebenziwe ngqondo.
Akulenje kunenye ngayibona igama layo My Loss. Leyo ngathi kuyezini.
My Loss.
Yeah. Yabona lo la uthi amde uJack. Yeah, bekathanda ucollecta lamagama la. Angifonela, Brian ngithothile ibizo lelinje. My Loss.
My Loss.
No, let me ask because the question is, are you not happy baby day? Or kwenzakalani? Or
Yeah.
Okay, awuthi la uthi bayicava yabo. So that's why sifocus kuwe kancane. So udume ngani mfethu? Why you laugh? Because of uthe uBrain wena ngqondo yabo. So udume ngani udlala idisc, uyacoacha, uyifan, ikambani or iswing wekazi bathi this wing ukuphela.
Ngithi yazi amajideka sayadelela. Wonke umuntu ibharo.
Angisho ama-fans ikazi bathi hayi uwing sikhuluma kuphela sazi next yarasa kuphela.
Awudeko mfuthu ngibebhekesfort.
Sure.
Ngakhwela khona ibhekesfort. Ukhuluma wami ngakhwela ngedisc from young age.
Yeah.
College, secondary, primary. Then moved this side eThembisa 2017. Ngilongidlala ibhola. Ukufika kwami la eKasi mangakutshela story. It's because of ibhola.
This
ilento dayiwin la. Ebisa ngani?
Lama top 16.
Ebisa ngani stadium sawo. Soccer City. Yazi nje bakhona ukucashela iroom. Akulanda ngada abakucashela iroom bakhafela iroom uthi uzobacovela ama top 16.
Yeah, because
bana ama player ngada baphinde baspanise neKing.
EKing mangiyazi.
Yekuvuma ikho bayazi ukuthi isikipha mawusibhekile sinuka deep ndona.
Yazi ufeature uthini popa uthi bebalwasha kibo phansi. Bashange eKing. ngiyacaba na uthi kumele uzokutshela ukuba misaphuma eyi-1
no yenzeka le nto leyo.
so balile baba nix
Yenzeka.
uthi uboneni nawo cha
Next.
so bakulandela idisk special for idisk
Ya mangifika lana ngokesha bengine-relay kathama lami. Bengizobona bona for iviki.
so wena manje ngicaba 2017 ukhana ufika yini
Bengikhani
le ifikele ezandleni zami product yami
Ngikhulisile. Ikasi umntaba ngawo kama kuzuwe ngabe ngeke.
and umbuzo wakahle njalo.
It is.
obvious
Obvious.
awunamanga ungaze ngesitoko nge-25 kunomunye ucherry yebe imshare lo cherry le lo cherry i-friend zone kodwa ayiletha kimi azo-introduce kimi
Esa. Mara okay umlungisela izinto zakhe wamphasela ukuthi yabona.
awuyazi
Wamphasela ukuthi.
hayi waye ngimpathela omunye hayi lo mara ngeke sikhulume ngayo ezinye izinto sensitive ezinye izinto sensitive yabo
Wazithi game important ya.
aferi no umshita naye akangitshelanga umshita ungitshele mina after 6 months phela kahle kahle lo girl lo yabo bekuhamba mina bengishaye ngalo girl ugirl wangifriends uhona ceda ngi-introduce kuwe ukuthi azokwazi ukungibalekela
Esa.
yabo mara aferi awuthi ngayifaka yabo ngafaka entweni hayi yabo no hayi ukuthi ngayiphasela hayi be-skillful vele naye yabona ukuthi uke ngapha kulunga angena ngapha
Bekasebenzisa ibrain.
kwabona ulilebhu ninini ubona ngapha ninini mabona ngathi bamvalile sekaswitshisa ngapha washayeleza
Umdlalo webhola.
seyaphelelaphi icareer yakhe yedisk
Spani responsibility. Oh, ngeke bengakayiqedi ne. Because ngithi mangifika lana bekuyiviki awuyazi ukuthi ngeke ngihlala nabo mama endlini ngathi ngicela ukuphuma kancane ngishela umoya. Obvious okay grounding ngithola amajita ayadlala bayashoda. Ngithi hayi ngicela ungene bathi hayibo angizobona ngimudi. Ngoba kubheka bathi hayi le yalekini kahle ibhola.
ngathi lezi basket
Bathi hayi le basket. Ngangena efieldini besishona ngathi besu9. First 10 minutes yabe igoli. Ngashaya igoli vele. Thola ne-penalty. Sadliwa into besishona. Sibashaya uma 4-3 something like that. Game ephela icoach athi mfethu hayi man wena ngithi mina ngivakashile ngiyavaya weekend.
Hey.
Mara mawungangihlanganisela something
Ngahlala.
nathi hayi consider that. Uyabo ukuhlala kwami like us.
so icoach ikuhlanganisela icashile iroom or ukutholela ispa
Yangithola ispan same time from the sport. Bathi azokala Monday uyacala.
And as the story sikhulumayo sibhaye kasi. Whereby amajita athola isipani egroundini.
yeah
So ukuthi
mina ngicava amakhampani ukuthi amakhampani nami ngisesentwana
bayavunja nini bayenza plan. Yeah, it's a very popular thing.
Yeah, ilento vele yenzala these days. Yeah, umthito wangifaka then mase ngilike kasi yabona.
Sekulula.
Bathi hayi singithola njani church nyana ilanga hlala.
Wona uyasonta.
Mina ngiyaso.
Oh.
yini inkinga
Ayikho.
question yakho uyasona
Asinewe so.
Hayi.
yazi ithini izolo singi-expose futhi
Yeah.
ngitshela ngeflu la uthi le njami wangathi uneflu masikhuluma ngendaba yeshoot yabo ithi kimi hayi anginaflu umfanisana namajita wakho asonta ithini la uthi ngathi la uthi mina ngina-3 years ngaphathi iflu umfanisana namajita akho asonta yazi le and la uthi le yasonta njani ungayimameli kakhulu yachetsha
No, it's just that manje I need my tools down. World Cup. Tools down.
manje vele bathi awayenzi next bathi nasesifanini bayayeka
Tools down.
bazobuya after World Cup hayi le World Cup ediski lesiyibukele
Yeah.
ngikhuluma le yakhe uMasilela le ekthayo le uzoyibona nini episode yakhe sayidrop yabo seyishoota futhi this week ithi ke njaya yami asenzi next this season yabo it is nama World Cup ayi2 ne-FIFA World Cup ne-World Cup yamandebele
The very World Cup. World Cup.
Yeah. Awuthinti nethi.
Into yenzayo phela ushaya ijazi ngesigangeni. Ngoba ushaya ijazi phela. Into yenzayo phela. That's the only thing that makes sense.
and yazifela loudly ala fair price
Jalo Rustenburg.
se-Rustenburg man
Ngiyaza for ukuthi ngiyobona
iphila la full time nabona namanje kuphi isandiva nda isanda siceda ukudlala yihi sasekuseni ngizobe se-Rustenburg ntamba yami ngabi la yosheka abafana
Kule high possibility ukuthi mangiphuma la. Ngizitshela ukuthi ngibamba i-N4. Ngibona ngibhizi lapha ya. ngishaya zasekhaya.
Shaya uswazi.
Ngishaya zasekhaya phelele.
Mara ngiyawancanya amandebele nje because proud ngeculture yabo and ngayithanda ngenhliziyo yabo yonke and integral.
I think one thing is culture, it's what grounds you njengomuntu.
Sure.
Yeah. I think it's very important. Yabona.
I-culture ne-disc zihlangana.
Ngifuna ukuza lapho futhi ukuthi i-disc culture yaseGaza.
Okay.
Yabona. It's only now with the modern it's only now with the modern boys whereby we're stretching it. But why I'm going to say culture yaseGaza? It's the only sport we had eGaza.
Sure.
That's true.
Yabona. Umjida ukuze sibone ukuthi umjida. So kubona timtimini or grounding. Ngaphandle kwalokho awusumjida.
Khona ezinye ke izimnani ngetimtimi egroundini ziyahluleka. Because ayindi lena.
I would say
Ama-rules.
Yeah, that's very true.
Sure.
I think space.
Okay.
A team, remember, it's a small space.
Oh, yeah.
And so small space, goal. Ebola is a long stretch. Ebola.
Umringwane uyasiteta sonke kanjani?
The out to catch.
Ake ngamakeki. Mara ifake ground
next. Yazi why? Yazi ifana marathon. Ne short sprint. Team short sprint. Ane grounding marathon. Ngiyaku dribble abantu abayi5 uhambe uyokora. Sazogijimisa before uyokora.
Sure.
Yeah.
Yabona.
I think ne positioning sort of
river.
Okay.
Because uyabona ukora uDekuntswembu like sweep. Mara le ayekholika mbona.
Okay.
Striking force akusumuntu lo.
Sure.
Yabo. And positioning ne space la so ku
But also there's one thing that we're not considering, informality. If I ne friendly game, ne World Cup, any tournament, friendly game are in pressure. Team.
Okay.
We as express.
Sure.
And then when we play for something, there's already pressure.
Sure.
But in Mondo yakho nayo already crowded. Yabona nama supported kwena.
Mara team esibheja nje ngenyuke serious.
No, esibheja sharp. But I not pressure compared to the crowd.
Le coaching ayikho msikutini. Coach obani. Uthatha ipolicy yohamba nayo ekora. Hayibo. Yabo.
Unenye bathi utana impintshi yakhe. Esanokushaya yona emuva yabo.
Izaba.
Ayamhaka yona. Mara ithali to ikepisi. Ikepisi yawa, udope ikepisi. Bayakora. Udope ikepisi.
Kanti ikepisi uyifihlele ngaka.
Mfethu. Mfethu, athi sidlise kakhulu lapho. Ubona ukuthi ngahlahle nga-1-on-1 le bebangeke bayishiye. Yabo, mara inkinga manje ikepisi wi.
Beyana umuntu okudlala lo.
Mara team emnani nje because of it kept us going. Besidlala thina opposite nasendlini. Ngiyikhaya nakiyo because besihlala opposite houses. So kuni Apollo vele so.
We like
Thina bese number night game.
Besidlala night game thina. Thina sayiqala kudala. Sikhula nge-night game.
Une experience bese ways, bese umnayiphelele.
Bekumnandi. Thina besingathi ngoba sekumnyama sisiyachayisa. Chayisa ngoba sikhathele. Nasemazindlini bese asimemeza. Yena. Uyasikolweni sasa man. Uyasikolweni sasa. Understand? Yabo. Elikhaya bekubhayiswa ama-ice yabo. So msiqeda ukudlala inyuku isekha futhi bama. Amna dala ngesilenge. Noma sidliwe lezi ezidlayo sometimes nokuthuma mina for usibhayela ama-ice. Amala iphuma ngisesangena ichayisa.
Isikahle. Niphetha ngamabhodlela.
Bekumnandi nje yabo. But asingene egame namhlanje yabo. So le ikasi ringa sas analyze fund once ringa ngegame. So ngifuna sikhulume ngegame namhlanje. Wena one of the reason we love because of ngiyacava nje ama hardcore die hard Sundowns fan.
Ucala ngi-5 Sundowns.
Good question. Nami ngiza lapho. Ayikho uthi lingana le 5.
Hayi kwenzani. Chiefs Pirates.
Nala ngaphansi ngingeze ukugcoka iskipa sebhakaniya ngaphansi.
Wena ngaba Chiefs.
Hayi bhakaniya ngiyayibona.
Hayi, not surprise. Ekhaya ngakhula bathanda iPirates and Chiefs.
Wena wathanda yini?
Mina ngithanda iSundowns. Isaphethe iSpring.
Uqala ukuningi.
Hayi baba,
Sundowns uqala kuyifavor nini?
Ispring udlala bo-Alex Bapela.
Yeah. As well as from 2003.
Yeah.
Before 2003.
Awucalanga wena kudala futhi umnandi kanje ngedisc. Awucalanga u-50 2003.
Yeah.
Before 2003. Funa le.
Ngoba ngocala usi 2000.
History is very important.
Yeah.
History is very important.
Okay, we win.
Umbonile.
We win.
Yeah.
Yeah. Very. Ungena kanjani?
Mara makasole. If iSundowns ayiwin league akaluzanga.
Anglos.
I-childhood yakhe is happy. Yena, as an adult, is not happy. As a child, is happy.
Hayi no, hayi seka-rooted kakhulu nje. Ayongena edini.
Usho so?
No. Ilezi vele noma athanda umntwana uyasona.
Mina vele ngisoza.
Abamdampa ubona ngokuwona.
Yeah. Ngikudla kimi. Yeah, abantu babuza endlini sathi right.
Ilezi ezinjalo yakuthiwa. Ya.
Maka si die hard fan eSundowns.
No, ngifuna ukubuza namhlanje sofa wakho vele. I-Sundowns. Serious? Yayi.
Angeke lokho eyivuma lento lezo.
She had to.
Akana choice.
Akanacho. Khona la uthi
Noma ku-birthday yakho akastruggle mina kubuy iskipho.
Nah, it's easy though.
It's easy, yabo. Angihluphi. Nami umsana zwe uyazi asimnikele.
Yeah.
Iyadlala leya.
Okay.
Yabona ithi esikhathi simayishaya wathi asimnikele. It's fine. Hayi ungenza ngokufuna ukwenza. Asimnikele. Ngoba uyazi ukuthi hayi umoya umuphathi.
Sure.
Yeah.
Uhappy ngegame namhlanje, ngiwine namhlanje because of sisini away. Secondly,
Okay,
yes.
we have an advantage. I'm happy.
Mm.
On a scale of, I think I'm representing it's a 70-30 at this stage. 70-30.
Mm.
Yeah. Because you want goal advantage. I feel like it's not good enough.
Okay.
We could have done more. We could have scored more goals.
Mm.
So we're doing more goals.
Sure.
Because
we've seen this movie before.
Thank you. Thank you. We are us. We are us. Yeah, boy. And you know, in football is very unpredictable. Ngayitshela ngoba sibambile wona i-team leni weak. Mara masiya ngale.
No, la beside that ngale basidlalisa kabi njalo. Asikhuluma iVAR.
From mental wise.
Yeah,
From
basidlalisa
mental
kabi.
wise, yeah.
Yeah, namanje ba play nini? Because ngibabonile bebangathi kakhulu abantu.
Yeah.
Bona kahle they wanted to settle for a draw fana.
Yeah, they wanted to collect it draw.
Yeah, ukuthi mabafika ngale baya all out.
And if you could see mangathi umbonile uGatuso icoach yethu uyibona uyayibona imentality yabo uyawapush manje siyekelana ukurelax asambili uyayicapha uthi asipusheni let's get at least stole a consolate goal it was 2 then we can relax.
Okay.
So that we know what's protector in but one goal yes is an advantage but
ubani angamfakanga ofila ngathi if bekamfakile bekazoyenza umehluko. Ngicaba amaplayer wakho wathanda wonke but you experience.
For a sub, as a sub, the first lineup I was so happy.
Okay.
The lineup. Isapu, Urena Sefunek. Tauko Blue. Tauko Maki Pulion, Fakurenas. Kubege, momentum. Shapu Santosi, he didn't give Banganile, momentum there usually.
Santos is Mazi.
Oh, Santos Mazi, yeah, today being an island. Naive Funer and just to keep it. Umshi still can give us something.
We have experience yake Spain.
Kakhulu.
Yeah.
We are khona ukubalance sambili. Wapusha machita. Umuntu ozibanga abantu ibhola yokhuluma. Atha sambili siyaphambili asithandeni nabantu.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. What is your take? Yangichaza ngoba neutral of evenings.
I think sometimes mina nginokufila ngathi if you want something so bad you must take all the risks possible. Especially uKadoso. Why ungangeni a game with 2 strikers?
Nami ngizodlala ama striker ethu. Home game.
Get a game with 2 strikers. You've got nothing to lose. You understand? Already labantu vele uyababona ukuthi take the risk and put 2 strikers. Ebazohamba bayolwa lapha ya. Because also you realize ukuthi if you don't have 2 strikers you're taking long ukufika phambili.
Yeah.
Dabon, you're taking long ukufika phambili. And we need to be comfortable with winning dirty, man.
Okay.
Sometimes you need to be comfortable with winning dirty.
That's very true.
Dabon, because I think with one thing that I used to complain about in terms of football is that it's favorable for the league. But in cup games, it's not favorable because in cup game, not defender 90 minutes young. So the corner kick 1 or whether you build up in Pagi pass. So he just needed to say, I'm just going to sacrifice a few players and get people that will just run, get the defense to work. Reyners can run, Leon can run. Make sure with amachita wakadlala helicopter guy 2 guy 3. It's as a defender my jumper siya yakatha. It is a defender jumper guy 2 guy 3 yakatha. La person that frustrated yenza. If was the machita ukuthi hey fakani pressure from lapaya. Once you do that, must jump guy 2 guy 3 sesabona ukuthi kema mistake akuphi. Then siyaqala ke senzani. Sizanalo kancane or manje ngithi uLeon can run, uReyners can run. Uwenzani? Uthatha ibhola nenza build up yenu from emove. Nabafoster ukuthi bapush. Once bafoster ukuthi bapush and yalupa, niyazi ukuthi ibhola is between i-goalkeeper nama defender. I-defender igijima ibheka ipal line. Inama mistake amani.
Yeah, but I feel that Cupido nondabana badlalile nawo.
Very well.
Yeah. And
Very well.
angazi ngabona badlala together. I think this was the first match, if I'm not mistaken. You should know better because you watch our
Yeah, they did. League and they're very good. One thing I like about Gucci, they're very comfortable with the ball. Mangapega. Their passing accuracy, 100%. Passing accuracy, 100%. Yeah, Sundowns, I don't know if you've noticed, philosophy when it comes to a sky ball, they hardly work for us.
Okay.
It's a builder, he's strong pointed in midfielder. Mangapega today, Santos Wamfaga, sweet. Where was Alenda Bangapad?
Sure.
Yeah, Bagafuna Lama Pologa.
Santos now, pass now.
Which was good. Based some work, it's just that Santos was not there. Yeah, but overall we played well.
Sure.
The team being a Kolean.
Okay.
I don't know on the second league we did play Mongapera even the pole position. We were dominating from first half, second half. Of which Maria pole position I sneaking next. He did work Yafunega here and there. My goals in which are more important. At games like this, we need goals.
I'm happy for Williams, because I'm not the writer off. But we imbo, yonke we shot on target, Korile. Now you keep to the clean sheet.
You know, they Mongapega, even some other teams, some other players, if you have 1 or 2 games which are bad
games, yeah.
Bad games.
Yeah.
Seba cool magal. Now we are going to do now equal keeper. Seba Mabasa Yaham.
Class is permanent, Jaya.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Class is permanent.
Regarding Williams, as Williams, I can never say he's not a good goalkeeper. But Ababaland is cutting spy. I think when you go choose a goalkeeper for yourself as a national team coach, the goalkeeper by Landa cool.
That's true.
Yes, pan. It's Sundowns by Landa, but by Landa. Kuna manya team
because the Sundowns that dominate.
Yes. Usually pretty ball. So Williams majority of times. That's why I also fear the money because it's natural you switch it off. It happens. It's natural we switch it off because majority of times they came in. We conduct time. Okay, let it move to your right. I will call the mindset of hey, where's a man? You know me. Yeah, boy. Because you need to understand the mundo. I send you example. I'm sorry I have to use Peterson. No one do the salary. No man years.
Yeah, from Leko Lebakam Koraga, Shaluli, first was chips, young girl.
No man
years. Yeah, all right.
Or immediately finish. You won't see.
Where am China? Who live in China? I rate them the same. Who China now? We are correct. It's just that how much the by more against the pirates are making.
Yeah, they have to.
Oh, marketing that's nice part.
But yeah, one. So that's why you're not gonna see those mistakes. But on an occasion, you by given a chance with the match the Puma. We are born a good day.
But you know which William is a threat to Amako Japan. Which is Sundowns in unfair advantage.
Because he's a player.
Yeah.
He's a player as well. And
he knows how to pass. He's a coach, yes.
He leader.
Yeah, he's a leader. Chuguti, because he's at the back, he's watching the game, he's able to direct, okay, how do we, which is good. That's what you need that. You need that. You've got an extra eye in the field.
Sure.
Yeah.
It's very important.
Yeah. But do you see Sundowns coming back second leg?
I want it for them, Jaya. Yeah, one. Also, I think I want it for Ukado, so think big range. Because Ukado so bamfunele logo because 2 seasons aku final. Anga win. Bamfunele logo. Yeah, one. I don't think you live uzoyithatha. Ngokutshela last time ukuthi Chani trophy no liseparani. Yeah, one.
And then it's Orlando straight.
Ngingitshela. Igame uyawina office. Semzansi la.
Wena nepolitiki yakho yazi.
Count ANC yakazidliwe ilokhu ibhizi busa.
Besingeke asinaproof.
Asinaproof. Ani nalezenza anye sibe neproof yakhe. Igame uyawina office. Mfethu, how is it that iOrbit is taking a match to Nelspruit? Abantu baseRustenburg abana masupport. Amasupporter wabo bontala besport. You can easily take that game Olympia uthi free entry to all the college students.
No make game bangayithatha bayise France ukusala kuzomela badlala 90 minutes.
Siya. Kunento dekayishilo. Abala iaway game ya ebayodlala nayo ukuthi i-team inga underperformer iaway game. But whenever ba home it becomes something else. I'm going to take you back to when they qualified, they were playing up against the Cape Town City, home, the Olympia. What really worked for them was the people rallying behind them. Yebo, njayami singakhuluma manga yabona le uyazi ukuthi yini noma ngabe uphethe igroin mfana usayibona after igame adrenaline rush.
Sure.
Yebo. So for them to do that, i-Pirates in the supportive role. Yebo. Iobiti in support Rustenburg.
But mina ngithi uKhaduso because ileague vele mina ngithi uyilose. I'm saying it on record, ileague yeOrlando.
Yeah, that's right.
Then manga lose iCAF njaya awuvayi. It doesn't add up ngale squad anaso ukuthi angawin a trophy one the whole season.
Yeah,
it doesn't make sense.
To save isikhathi nje justice masingadliwa second league yena iflight mayiza ngapha yena makabuya
ruthless
because ukubranch phela lo bayadiscuss lezi discuss kuma meeting ebranch.
The number of quality that we have to Sundowns angeke we compare it now.
But I think also that's also confusing for the coach. Awazi ufake
bani we had the whole season uyabona uslow fit low enza ubona wamanje asifuna ample asifuna I should have could have but never did.
But it's complaining about it, which they congested in terms of former games.
Yeah, ama player amaningi.
Una
player amaningi lo muntu bamsayinela lo muntu ama player. Rotate the squad ba.
But also I think when they're complaining ngayo, it's something that our people are complaining ngayo, but I think that's why you preferred having 3 players in every position.
Yeah.
Readily available to play.
Now already.
They are there.
Now.
Ukuthi
no, mara you know ukuthi it's unfair for my players lento le. And iyakhawa confidence because of awudlali uzokutshela ngefatigue. Kushuthi wena vele akakuboni.
What's going on?
Because if uthi umuntu wena ukhathele umfostelana ukudlala mina nangishare iposition.
There's umkhulisi there.
Yeah, kunomkhulisi baba. Wena last time ungitshele ngomkhulisi.
No Jacob bengisamtshela masiza ukuthi mina khulumani nikhulume.
I-engine leyana.
Leya ilasinamba.
Yani quality.
Lathi nje ami inexcuse nje. It's a lame excuse for me.
But also I think even if he wins the cap, he needs to go.
Angeka fine.
Hayi, asingamhambisi.
I
think he needs to go. It's not good for. In fact, you must understand. Ngifrazi ukutshela mina ngizokutshela as a South African football support. Ane. Ukhaduso is not good for South African football. Because a national team yethu yaleka since ikufika here.
Ivarle.
He's not good for Bafana
Bafana.
He's not good for Bafana Bafana.
If bekuse urulana lapha ngabe manje iAfcon lesibuya kuye ngabe sithathe.
Yeah, I understand. So with Ukhaduso being there, Sundowns.
Bencha bomshishi, ukubencha bobani abantu esibadinga for kubo bossa kasaba select because of that.
Ngisawona ukubukela iWorld Cup.
Mara asinikeni umjito umsebenzi wakhe nomuntu adini department yakhe.
No,
yes, I understand. Yes, Sundowns, my players Sundowns they were adding, especially
because you find 7 players, and instead of playing Suti Sundowns,
exactly. But the very same way they play with Sundowns, even though Williams is still in control. We are coach. The coach is okay.
And the futhi udlala no Kekane no Mudawu bona laba dlala nawo. Go right back uphethe uMudawu. Angisho ngapha mina uKekane noMvala. Sikhumbula uMvala
umuntu
sikhumbula uMvala kanje.
Siyazi isitori sakho. Le game le ethizikala uMvala kumele ahlale.
Yeah.
So mina umuntu ozokhuluma mangibheka because wena ukhulumela iSundowns, mina ngikhulumela South African football. We don't need such a person.
Yeah.
Yeah. And by that, yazi ngifuna nokusho ukuthini ne. Izinga leSundowns lidropile. iSundowns manje azidlala ngani? Individual brilliance. Because sikubhaye ngemali ebhaye ngoba umnandi. Uyakwazi ukuhlangana nenye out emnandi. But mana ithusi yabo.
Yeah, isathusi nje baba. Isathusi. iSundowns bekusharp before igame baba.
Yeah,
nathi ama fans isiqinisa thina Chiefs Sundowns ngaba mnandi kanjani siyabambela siyazi uzibambela ayikuzoyisa. Manje sithi iSundowns izoyisha.
Inja yayiluma isana amazinyo.
Besakhuluma ngayo mangizana ngithi mangabheka iSundowns the past le 8 season dominant le bayenza 7 years. iSundowns bewin igame i-league 10 games ahead. I mean, thina sesiyaminya ukuthi iPirates idliwe.
Mfana ngikhumbula babuya ku-national team ne. Sibuya ku-FIFA break. Orlando wabhentsha bonke baba.
Bakhathele.
Wafaka esinye iskimu
Washaya
washaya
choose 4.
i-4. Amfana ngizange ngaphila. Ngithemba lamangibona le lapha ngathi akungcono. Abekho labantu abathusayo. Kanti abakhona ba-dangerous worse.
Matthews beyenza.
Yo mfana.
Matthews beyenza.
Nale Wi-Fi isibano esikwevela bani.
Escoville.
So do you understand why I say it's not good for South African football?
Ile ngikhuluma ngayo squad rotation.
Squad
Because
rotation.
wathi ke
Yeah.
bakhathele labantu abahlalisa ngaphansi athi relaxani bafethu. Nalaba bayabiya good enough. The time ba national team yena he was planning ngalapha.
That's
He was
true.
planning ngalapha.
That's very
Was
true.
mababuya wabahlalisa ngapha wafaka 2-3 nyaka because you need to balance vele.
Yeah.
Ngeke babhentshe bona.
That's why le nto yathi game time and fatigue it's just an excuse. Ayisebenzeli thina. We don't need that. Besilokhu sidlala iCAF thina, silokhu sidlala ama-games. Sadlala i-Telkom ama-player wethu
And ekudala bacala ukusabotage.
Exactly.
There's nothing new.
So angeke uyilethe manje as an excuse ukuthi fatigue ama-player card. No, we have squad siphelele.
But Awidela is justifying to save his job.
So sesiyazi.
Now you could have done the same.
Le excuse thina sesiyazi ile nto hayi bosu marotakiwe.
Yeah, Urulani played more games than this guy. Urulani played 58 games.
Yeah.
That season. 58. This guy played 51.
51. And about Urulani wawina league i-games lokhu sesekho. Yaba sesiwinile.
And eKF yambona iluze kanjani? Iluze ngedraw.
Ngedraw.
But now, where do you think the problem is, Sundowns? Mina, personally. Mina ngifuna uFlemming Bekavayo.
Ayikho le.
Yona ayikho but nathi mafans sifuna usafaya.
Njani lethi Leon manje.
No, that's
Inkinga
the
iqala
problem.
lapho, iqala kulokhu.
Ulanda la master lawana uloku uyawafaka uloku uyawaphetha ulala ibhola. Makabheka stropini.
Akabulali ibhola leni. Nina nisile nina. uPitso bekabona ukuthi uNtswembu kuPirates ukuletha ngapha. Makubona ukuthi so bekameka sure ukuthi akana competition. So lo mjito uyayiyeka icompetition. Ustrengthen team yakhe. Nina vele benwina kanjalo.
Manje akasayistrengthen thing. Uyayehlisa. Iperformance makabheka iperformance. Yes, those are good, but iperformance iyayela. Since when in this computer in the last 2 games.
Why wena ufuna eliminate competition?
No, but see,
Let dominance be dominant.
let them see.
Act dominating.
See, I will always fight for Upito. As much as people believe Upito bega stabilize the competition. I think Upito understood something about South African players. In what he wants, it's South African players that understand what he wants.
Sure.
Shine in PR. It's South African. Sales, they talented. But must I figure out? It's a different ball game.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
It's a different ball game. You need talent lasekasi lo yabona lo buye nayo ukuthi intimu uzalwe nayo into ebuye eyakini not to say abosaleza abanayo
Abosgame.
you understand
Gijima waya hamba nawo.
umuntu okhona naselokishini utsotsi uyakshaya naseground uyakshaya yeah so mfethu Upito yes Upito would do that and still eliminate combination but Upito bengathengi noma ubani istar
Yeah.
Upito kakhulu bekatarget ama player a big ama key players with Chiefs ne Pirates
Ni behavior bethi monitor izela sibakhuluma ngendaba kaManyama.
Yeah.
Bekafuna uManyama
By Cape Town.
by Cape Town
Town.
lifestyle yakhe ukuthi after game udlani ugroove ukuyenzani then baba because abekho happy nge-lifestyle
azangibamsaya
so
understand.
Discipline. Same thing. It happens a lot. Discipline. What else? Discipline. Jikiti se uyatrenda, unasema mafi yabo. Awumahlambi. Discipline.
hey
Makathi angeke ulast.
sure.
Angeke ulast.
mara ke mele nisayine lentwana le yakamahlambi lentwana
Ngenzani
ya
le.
No.
but the problem
Yekale ntwana ye-Chiefs, yekale ye-Chiefs. Ngoba nini nibenja
It's fun as if ubhaka.
uzofitha la. Yabona i-state of play sakhe uzofitha ubhaka.
Yeah, because I feel like it's high time must be in a competition.
Sure.
Yeah.
Izoyenza ukuthi nikwazi ukuthatha ikhefu.
Thank you.
besides
Must be
the competition is healthy for South African football
Yes. Even nama sponsors akhona ubona man ibhola likhona.
yeah
Lento yokuthi sihlezi siyazi ukuthi hayi isizini yaqala cash up first league isana City. Mayili yabona le competition
Now uyabhoreka uphile se-stadium so uyabhoreka.
sengazi ukuthi sesiwinile yabo. Pero bulo by the game ithi sikazi ngabe siwinile ngabe sasisi league. I-right Pirates might league.
Sure.
Hayi
So enclosing bafethu.
uyabo.
Okay,
mara-ke enye into eyenza ukuthi iligi yethu ibe interesting so ukuthi sisponsorwa i-Betway.
Siyabheja.
Yabhedwa from office. Betway office.
Yeah.
Uyabona?
But manje mabacheka ama-odds, Pirates bayibheje kakhulu ayidliwe sokwazi ukwenza imali.
Isolo nibayibulela imali.
Abayibulele.
Phela what's a straight win la. What's a straight win?
Abayibulele.
Abayibulele. Yabo wonke umuntu uyakwazi isipirates enkulu.
Bafana mina bengiba indaba mina ngibhejiwe ngiyazi ngiyekile. Mara mina magame awuni ngiyawabona. Uyazi masa ngiyamtshela. Ngamtshela nangichize neSantos before. Lovely draw.
Wena ngithi ibhola uyala.
Ngihlale ngitshela la mina nawe siyakhuluma kakhulu. Analyze. Mina ngiyikuthi in favor.
Exactly.
Analyze.
Ichaza ngayo ile mpilo ukuthi akafevi nami yafuma ukuthi allowed to say. Even neSantos uyathi uthanda. Kujamla la niyobheda nasona eniqinisile ubone ukuthi hayi manje play.
And ngimtshela ngikhosi uSantos ngithi amfana nizosishaya and ni3 ngayikho and kube njalo.
Ngale game le fonele ibe uyila season ushipho ovolo wathi sana. Yana milena bishishile mara no ushaya. And vele.
Nawe ngakutshela uma ukudlala cheese nePirates ngakutshela ngathi le i3 goals izongena. Ngathi le line up nje le futhi
bayithengisa
sempele.
le game.
Ngathi la kunesandla sempele la
bayithengisa.
angeke uchange line up kanje ngebhakani udlalise uMorris ungadlala ngesizini yonke. I mean ubani le who's this guy? Udlale lo wengamla lo ubuya
lo ngaphandle lo.
Lo bathi uCheslin.
Cheslin.
Mara
umnandi mara ngeke uzomqala ngebhakani.
Ngebhakani i-big match la ngena abantu.
Qala mintroduce kancane kancane.
Yabona into esho ukuthi ikhuluma ukuthi nge-big match nani. That's what Pitso wanted for his players because that's what Pitso understand it. I-Sundowns ayikwazi ukugcwalisa stadium. Ukubona ngedaba. I don't think ama-players wana ngedaba.
That's why abantu bafana nabo George.
Yeah, ufunela Africa.
Yeah,
ufunela Africa. Because I think the atmosphere before it is different. Now when you play man uba wana blood rush.
Yeah.
Bathi ngedaba wa coach ama play.
Hawa, uyamtshela. Nokuzwa ngekobutha manje. Uyarasa
Sure.
Yeah.
So in closing bafethu sivalini sizobuya nge-second leg. So siyazi nje amu fan die hard.
Yeah.
Uyayithatha ikhef.
Ikhef ngiyathatha. Ikhef ngiyathatha. Ikhef without the bad without the ikhef ngiyathatha.
Don't say I want it for them. Bayithatha or abayithatha.
Bazoyithatha. Ngibuze ukuthi why ngicale ngayo.
Okay.
I had to replay the match ya Vandag.
Okay.
Ngibona amalupho labhaya kule team.
Sure.
The only difference was that they were not coming at you. That's why amalupho akhona angabonakalanga kakhulu because they're playing too defensive. When you play too defensive, it's not easy ukuthi ubonakala ama mistake wakho. Ama mistake wakho abonakala kakhulu if you're trying to attack. Whenever you're trying to attack, you're opening up spaces. Yabona, which Abo Santos would have capitalized and utilized. Yeah. So whenever they go home, those spaces will be open.
Sure.
Ulion will have enough time to run behind the defense. So that's why I need to bazoyithatha because now I'm looking ukuthi kule game le match the lab was a draw. So they were very cautious in terms of going forward. They were comfortable to stay back. Yeah. That's why bangakozanga.
Iyashaya yathimba burulana bemura strong asesengada.
Yona shaya.
Ayashaya yathimba. Ngiyayazi mina le team. And now iyakhipha futhi.
Even today I was shocked at the way they played ukuthi
yabona le team le boyibheke namhlanje.
Ayifani.
Awubheke second league.
Yes, total.
Awubheke second league. Mark my words when.
Okay, maybe it's acclimatization again.
Decided. If
they came with the mentality of defend.
Yeah.
Ngali labantu bayabulana.
Hazobona.
Yabona njengoba athi undamani they were relax bewo kahle. Ngali.
Ngale kufuneka umvala nje yami noma ngayothola red card kufuneka umvala. Kufuneka bo le player kalimele le ubani le ethenga kuTS Galaxy.
Undamani.
Ledla le esiswini.
Lazi inkonzo bando.
Ulimele ngibone Jive neJimmy.
Yeah, konzo bathu bani. Ulo number 15 years.
Yeah, number 15.
Ngibona ulimele.
Yeah, kufuneka bona le.
Uthemphula le.
Ah, kufuneka abantu abanjalo lapho.
Ufuna abantu besicathula.
Yeah, awuna choice.
Yeah.
Awuna choice.
Yeah.
Amvala strong nje, umvala kasabi nix.
Okay, what you guys are saying is
overs.
Yeah, overs.
So the final manje.
Yeah.
into enishoyo
Khani i-final
yeah
khani iqala i-final.
Final yocala.
Yeah, iqala.
amanisho kanjani team
Angenzeka noma yinja yami. Mina that's what I'm saying.
mina was hoping those
Fana ngifavor iSundowns ngikutshela mama mina ngakutshela kudala angiyifavor team yangaphandle.
Yeah.
I'm very loyal.
no.
Mina as long as
South
udlala
African.
i-South African team, I don't care Pirates ngama rival mina ngifavor Bani. Mina Chiefs mayidlala team ngifavor Chiefs. I-TS Galaxy mayidlala team yangaphandle ngifavor team yangaphandle.
Yeah.
So naku second leg ngifavor Sundowns but ngenzeka noma yini. But you hope for the best but prepare for the worst.
Yeah, my mistake they're gonna be there.
Yeah.
Because the team liyani yalanda. Today ngibonile badlala ngestrike esi1 ofuthi istrike khona bese ngaspress even if it's benga press. Bespress ama midfield kuphela. Uyabona ukuthi they are relaxile. But high we know ukuthi that side is more.
so in the final
Abadlala next week.
Next week.
Wow.
That's why it's dlale wonke ama matches waqede so we can focus on first leg and second. Next week.
but now the problem game manje is that uzobakhala ngefatigue labo bantu Carlos futhi we just played last week now we play again this week.
Uneviki lonke.
And there's a chance ukuthi ungayenzeka miracle. Thina maswini careful ngale. Siphinde siwine le league yalapha eMzansi.
After sivalini bafika.
No, man, we win.